evening, everybody. Sango Pang Surang Vyang Vyatishe Dharo Gira Gurjari. Welcome to Ahmedabad, welcome to Gujarat. People who are coming for the first time in Gujarat need to be warned. Ahmad Shah Badshah, the person who made Ahmedabad, he said to his Wazir that I want people to keep on coming to Ahmedabad. So he put a magic potion in the rivers, the rivulets and the ponds. After that, anybody who comes to Ahmedabad once keeps on coming. That is a magical spell. So if you really don't want to be under this spell, drink mineral water. This is ICCOB 20 happening in 21. Ladies and gentlemen, a little history about these conferences. As you know, every president in his tenure holds a conference, his own conference. This conference was supposed to be held in June 2020, but because of the COVID situation, it got prolonged. So today, after 1.5 months of gestational, the baby is delivered, Dr. Alpesh's baby. So we have the conference ICCOB. For the first time after so many years and so many months, do we have a live conference? Not live as in webinar, a live interactive conference full of people, because we had seminars, we had webinars. Last whole year went in that. Today we can see the vibrancy of people, the human beings, the three-dimensional people here, and we can feel the energy of people who want to learn and people who want to teach. Critical care has been a topic that has been passionate about from the beginning. As gynecs and obstetrician, each one of us has faced emergency situation in which quick thinking and prompt action is very, very important, life-saving. In such emergencies, quick thinking can make a difference between victory and disaster. The aim of this conference was to and is to sensitize our practitioners and prepare them in such a way that when such a medical emergency happens, no time is wasted. During the conference, you will learn protocolized management of important critical obstetrics and medical emergencies, which you can face anytime during the practice. The most wonderful thing about ICCOB, it is not backed by any organization, but still has a love and association of SAFOG, Society for Maternal Fetal Medicine, Royal College of OBGYN, SOGOG, UNICEF, Indian Chapter of Gestosis, and Indian Society of Perinatology and Reproductive Biology. With this introduction, I welcome all the dignitaries on the stage one by one. Can we start with our organizing secretary, Dr. Munjal Pandya. Dr. Hemant Bhatt, one more organizing secretary. Dr. Jaideep Tang could not attend because the flight is very late, so we're not including him on the dais. Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, immediate past president of FOXI. Okay, fine. Guest of honor, Dr. Sanjay Gupta ji. Dr. Kilbai Solanki, our today's chief guest, member of Lok Sabha. Dr. Madhav Patel, Secretary General. Dr. Shanta Kumari, present president of FOXI. Dr. organizing chairperson. And last but not the least, organizing secretary, Dr. Sunil Shah. Please be seated, sirs. Dr. Ashok Kumar. Dr. Ashok Kumar, please. Before we start the lamplighting, a share on COVID situation. कि गुजर रहे हैं आज हम इस मुकाम से, कि गुजर रहे हैं आज हम इस मुकाम से, लोग साथ छोड़ देते एक जरा सी जुकाम से. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we are having brave mortals here who have braved COVID, come here, and we start the lamp lighting. What is the importance of lamp lighting? Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhana sampadah, shatru buddhi vinashaye, deep jyoti namastute. Deep jyoti parabrahma, deep jyoti janadana, deep hare papam, deep jyoti namastute. I salute the lamp that brings auspiciousness, prosperity, good health, and destroys the enemy of intellect, which is ignorance. So let us light the lamp. I invite the dignitaries to please light the lamp and light the lamp, which is going to prove that we are going to be illuminated in the next 2 days. So,
कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
Thank you, dignitaries. Thank you. All right, let's give an auspicious beginning to this program. Can I ask Dr. Munjal to please say the prayer?
Hello. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham. कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. Thank you.
That was a very auspicious beginning, Dr. Munjal. We're longing to hear your prayer as much as the seminars. Can I invite Dr. Kamini Patel to please felicitate our chief guest with a shawl, and Dr. Alpesh Bhai with a memento to our chief guest, Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki.
કામિનીબેન અમારા ઇન્કમિંગ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ છે અમદાવાદ ગાયનેક સોસાયટીના અને આપણે રજનીશભાઈ ખરા ને સિવિલ હોસ્પિટલ મેડિકલ ટીચર્સ એસોસિએશન અને અત્યારે સુપ્રિટેક એમના હસબન્ડ સરોગસી જ્યારે મેં ત્યારે મળતા હતા આપણે ત્યારે એમનો ફોન આવતો હતો મળતા ટેલિફોન actually Sarvabhaumya bill was my private member. Government brought the bill. That was my private member.
Dr. Kamini, can you do the same shawl for Dr. Shanta Kumari? Our Foxit President, Dr. Shanta Kumari. guest of honor, Dr. Sanjay Gupta ji. Let us see his body go out. Can we have a shout for Dr. Alpesh? Can I talk? Can we invite Dr. Neeta Thakre on the dais, please? Dr. Neeta Thakre. Dr. Neeta Ben, can deliver a memento to Dr. Munjal. Baki. Can we have a memento for Dr. Jignesh Deliwala? Yeah. Yes, yes. Okay. Neetaben is giving a garland which is known as Sutar Niyati, which is a very, very traditional Gujarati. It is given to living people, so don't worry. Looks like a Swayamvara. We just got a call from Dr. Jaydeep Tang that the shawl that he is supposed to get, he has requested to give to the master of ceremony. Thank you so much for that, Dr. Kamini and Dr. Neeta Thakre. But then we start the introduction of Dr. Jignesh Deliwala. Don't go by his looks. He is what is known as cutting edge technology. He looks small, but he is practicing gynec in Ahmedabad since 18 years. He is a present president AOGS 2021-22, the past honorary secretary Ahmedabad OB Gynec Society, past joint secretary AICOG 2017, and a special interest in high-risk pregnancy and fetal medicine. He is also the organizing chairperson of this present conference. Behind this sober, simple, silent exterior is a man full of depth, discipline, and efficiency. I welcome him to give the speech The biggest task is the first welcome speech.
Respected seniors and dear colleagues and guest of chief guest Dr. Kirit Solanki sir, guest of honor Dr. Sanjay Gupte sir, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, our past president Foxy, Dr. Shanta Kumari, the present Foxy president Dr. Madhuri Patil, and all my friends and team AOGS. And respected senior, a warm and passionate welcome. Sir. A warm and passionate welcome to all you on this chilly winter evening. I cordially invite and greet all the eminent speakers from all over the country, and I would say from all over the world, because we have so many international faculty also, and who will be sharing the essence of this experience today in form of knowledge nectar. Everybody knows that critical care in obstetrics has been the menacing issue, causing recurrent and transient high blood pressure and spurt of anxiety in all of us, and that it needed to be addressed as soon as possible. And this is our humble effort to enhance and enrich the decision making and protocols, and substantially eliminate the unpredictability and uncertainty while dealing these critical obstetric events, so that it won't catch us completely off guard, and we shall have weapons of knowledge to conquer and win these obstetric events. So I hope by attending this and witnessing this conference by all the eminent speaker across the country and world, I hope that this knowledge will help in your day-to-day practice in some of the critical care events. Thank you all, and I hope this hospitality and the academic feast will enrich your knowledge. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I have the pleasure of introducing Dr. Madhuri Patel, Secretary General Foxy, Treasurer Foxy 2015-2018, Joint Secretary Foxy 2009, Joint Associate Editor, Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology of India, Honorary Clinical Associate, Vadia Hospital, Honorary Consultant, Police Hospital, Mumbai, Visiting Consultant, St. Elizabeth and Masina Hospitals, Mumbai, ex-professor and HOD, OBGYN, ESIC, PGI, MSR, MGMH, Mumbai, ex-associate professor, GMC, chairperson, Study on Female Breast Committee, Foxy 2010-2014. There's more, but do you want?
Thank you very much for your kind words. Namaste, namaskar. Good evening to all the dignitaries on dais and off the dais. Today, I am honored and privileged to welcome on behalf of Dr. Shanta Kumari, President Foxy, and Dr. Sanjay Gupte, past President Foxy, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, our immediate past President Foxy, and I can see Dr. P.K. Shah, our another past president, very active, vibrant, past President Foxy, and entire Foxy team. I welcome all of you for this unique conference, ICCOB, that is International Critical Conference in obstetrics. I must say that we, as in Foxy, we are 260 member bodies and 38,000 plus committed members to the women's health. So our primary mission of the Foxy is to reduce the maternal mortality, right? So now with the critical care conferences, what Dr. Alpesh Bhai has arranged, and we all have been arranging, all our member bodies and all our committee chair and all, the primary aim, we want to reduce the maternal mortality rate below 70 per 100,000 live birth by 2030. This is the Sustainable Development Goal. Now, a few of the states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, they have already achieved this goal. And we are like UPs and Bihar and all, they are really lagging behind. So we want to improve, and for that we have also started many projects. We have all committee chairs, vice president, and they are doing excellent work. So I will not take much time over here, but I would like to say that we have galaxy of eminent speakers who have been, doing the great job since yesterday. Today also I heard them, and tomorrow we are going to hear them. They are doing excellent, and with this critical care, conference and the scientific academies, as an obstetrician, we are going to get updated in the knowledge. And this will definitely help our women to reduce the women's health. And one more thing I would like to quote over here, Nelson Mandela. Education is the best weapon when used can change the world. So let us use this education, let us disseminate this knowledge, education, and change the world for our women. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
It's very nice of you. Can I invite on the stage a very sweet-looking gentleman here who can be easily mistaken as a Gujarati film actor, but is not. He's a gynec, Dr. Hemant Bhatt. He is a bifurcation between a doctor and a lawyer, MD, LLB, Honorary Treasurer, SOGOC, National Coordinator, FOXY 2019, President, AOGS 2017-18, Organizing Secretary, AICOG 17-18, and special interest in medical issues in high-risk pregnancy. But that's not all. He is a multifaceted person. He's a trustee of the Ahmedabad World Heritage City Trust and the state coordinator of Media Communications, BJP. So the charming, ever-smiling, ever-helpful gentleman is a proof that good things come in small packages. Please give us a roadmap of the conference.
Thank you, Dr. Rajan Bhai, for the kind words. It has been a great pleasure that Dr. Rajan Joshi and Dr. Aarti, the past of the AOGS, the glorious past of the AOGS, the younger past in form of Dr. Rajan Joshi, and the 21st century AOGS in form of Dr. Aarti are representing as a chairpersons for this inaugural function. Respected Chief Guest, our most popular Member of Parliament from Ahmedabad West, Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki. More than a Member of Parliament, he is well known in the medical field in Ahmedabad as a laparoscopic surgeon. So I really thank Dr. Kirit Bhai on behalf of FOXY and AOGS for accepting our invitation and gracing this inaugural function today. Same way, the guest of honor, our teacher, our guide, always at a help, Dr. Sanjay Gupte, sir. We are welcoming you for today's inaugural function. Our FOXY President, Dr. Shanta Kumari, our FOXY Secretary General, Dr. Madhuri Patel, our immediate past President, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, our AOGS President, Dr. Jignesh Deliwala, the Joint Secretary of Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, our dear Dr. Sunil Shah, and AOGS Secretary, Dr. Munjal Pandya, and all respected dignitaries of the dais. Sir, this ICCOB conference was destined to be held in December 2020. But because of the COVID era, we postponed it in February, then we again postponed it in July, and with God's grace, in this December, we are able to organize this ICCOB conference. And let me tell you, sir, that this inaugural function is being attended from the far length and breadth of our country, right from Dr. Archana Verma from Delhi to our Dr. Deepa Mukundan from Kerala, Dr. Gopal Hirani from Bhuj to Dr. Prerna Kishan from Gauhati. They all are present over here. So it has been a great occasion for us, for the Foxy. And in Foxy, we have shown that whenever there is a slightest of the chance to meet for academic purposes, and if we can meet in person, then we will be definitely meeting at a place decided by the organizers. And on behalf of AOGS, the host society, I welcome all of you. The conference does have the presence of at least 12 international faculties who some of them have delivered their lecture and some of them will be delivering the lecture tomorrow. And we do have 2 orations also from our Foxy president, Dr. Shanta Kumari, and also our immediate past president, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi. Sir, in Gujarat, you are witness that under the visionary leadership of Narendra Bhai, we have reduced the maternal mortality. When Narendra Bhai took over the charge, the Gujarat was having the maternal mortality of 202. Now it is 71. This is a wonderful, remarkable, a milestone achievement. And that has only happened because of the Chiranjeevi Yojana. And after that, the emphasis on the institutional deliveries. And sir, the other important thing as far as Gujarat is concerned, and we can take pride, is the contribution of Dr. Alpesh Gandhi regarding starting of HDU, that is high density unit, for taking care of critical care patients after the delivery. And I think a lot of efforts have gone into, and a lot of perspiration, persuasion, and a relentless efforts by Dr. Alpesh Gandhi on behalf of Foxy has taken place along with the government authorities, where 20 years back, there was nothing like an HDU in obstetrics. Now India is having more than 550 HDUs, if I am not forgetting or saying any wrong figure. But it is more than 550 HDUs now in India, and it is working for reducing the maternal mortality. And we are on a path of reaching this target at the level of the developed nations. So that is the effort, and this is the emphasis of the conference of this ICCOB, that how we can reduce the maternal mortality, how we can improve the perinatal outcome, how we can indirectly benefit for reducing IMR. So that was it about the conference. And again, from the depth of my heart, although the parliament is in session, you are absolutely busy with the parliament. Let me tell the audience that Dr. Kirit Solanki is the member of parliament who has introduced the private bill for surrogacy. So that will be passed by the parliament after so much of deliberations and the corrections. So the credit goes to Dr. Kirit Bhai. So, and he has always been helpful to all the contentious issues related with the medical field. And again, on behalf of Foxy and AOGS, I am thanking you, sir. Thanks a lot. Good evening.
Thank you. Now, the line of the show, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi. Alpesh Gandhi was the immediate past president of Foxy, past VP Foxy, chairperson Practical Obstetrics Committee, vice president, president, so on and so forth. So rather than going into his technical thing, I have to tell how much and what he's made up of. He was and is one of the most hardworking and dedicated Foxy presidents, pioneer president who converted adversity into opportunity during the COVID era and started digital conferences, and everybody followed. Maximum delegates attended, and one conference reached 11,000. These are fourths, as already said by Dr. Hemant. HDU, the first concept of HDU was launched by the government of India. You know, all the conferences before this usually are ART, endoscopy, ultrasound. So obstetric conference had gone out of line. This gentleman here, standing here, is a person who is reminding people that, oh guys, we still have to deliver babies too. It's not just endoscopy and ART. Delivering babies is our prime obstetric concept. So the only thing I can say about him is, a person like him जो हर रोज पानी से नहाते हैं वो तो सिर्फ लिबास बदलते हैं, जो हर रोज पानी से नहाते हैं वो लिबास बदलते हैं, जो पसीने से नहाते हैं वो आज का इतिहास बदलते हैं। डॉक्टर अल्पेश।
Thank you, dear Rajan, for your kind words, generous introduction. Today's chief guest, Dr. Kirit Bhai, our own MP for 2 times from 3 times, and we wish next time also he will be there, and we wish that next time he will be in the ministry. Today's guest of honor, my mentor, our guide of all of us, and my friend, Foxy President, Dr. Shanta Kumari, a very dynamic secretary, Foxy, Dr. Madhuri Patel, youngest President, Foxy, AOGS, Jignesh Shah, my friend, Dr. Sunil, Dr. Munjal, Dr. Hemant, Vice Presidents of Team 2020, Dr. Atul, Dr. Archana, Dr. Ramni Devi, I think Ragini Devi, Dr. Ragini Agrawal will come tomorrow, she is not here. Dr. Anita Singh, Dr. Pariksit Tank, Dr. Mandakini Megh, ICOG Chairman, all the committee chairpersons of Foxy. I want to take name of each one of you committee chairpersons, but you all know that you all are in my heart and no need to take your name. All dear delegates, esteemed faculties, a very good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank all of you that you all are here in one call, on one invitation across India, as Dr. Hemant has mentioned. In spite of this COVID, in spite of this Omicron, in spite of strike, postgraduate student strike, in spite of cold wave in North, so many hurdles are there. And in spite of that, you all came here. Thank you very much from bottom of my heart. When I took over as Foxy President, under Madam Chandravati ji and Dr. Manju Shukla ji, Dr. Preeti Kumar was there. We were not knowing that COVID, we will have to face COVID immediately. But within a month, suddenly, we are at the helm of, we are at the challenge of COVID-19. Team 2020 was having a challenge to maintain the momentum of Foxy, having the challenge of maintain the activity of all Foxy societies, having the challenge of updating all our Foxy members and maintain their mood. Lots of challenge. We were having challenge of how to complete vision of 2020. So many challenges we were facing. But we decided to go with our first program, and that was on International Women's Day of cancer screening, cervical cancer screening. We try our best to motivate all our societies, and in that program, sir, I would like to inform you, Kirit Bhai, 210 societies have joined, and in spite of COVID, we have screened nearly 1 lakh women for cancer screening across India. And because of this massive encouraging response across India, it encouraged us to do more and more activity. We decided that yes, all are with us and we can complete our vision. So we decided to change it to all on the digital platform. And we continue our activity. We have promised for 17 conferences, but we completed 25 conferences. We promised for 800 workshops, but we nearly 1,000 webinars were organized. We promised for a celebration of few international and national days, but we celebrated 23 days for public health issues and preventive issues and mass education. So lots of activities were conducted, and we could reach to each and every corner of India. We could reach to gynecologists working in the remote places. We could reach to school, colleges, parents, teachers. We could reach to police and common people. So ultimately, we have achieved a lot during this COVID. Of course, I would also like to inform you that first guidelines on COVID with pregnancy was introduced by FOXI in our country. First national registry on COVID was also introduced by FOXI. FOXI donated a huge fund in PM CARES fund, and also when there was an issue of COVID vaccination, with support of all our 262 societies and all FOXians and all these active members who are sitting in the audience, we came out first in India for strong advocacy that pregnant women and lactating women should be included in the list of beneficiaries for the COVID vaccine. And then we could receive support from across India and then from ministry, and successfully it was included. And because of this, 52 million women, breastfeeding and pregnant women were benefited. So a lot of activity was conducted by FOXI. One thing was remaining, and that was promise of critical care in obstetric conference. That we could not do, but it was because we wanted it on physical platform, physically. So with the kind cooperation and support from my friend and FOXI's president, Dr. Shanta Kumari, we could also complete this vision. Thank you very much, Dr. Shanta Kumari, for this. And all the team members of FOXI 21, I think Dr. Basab is here, Dr. Archana is here, all the vice president, all the committee chair, all the office bearers of team 21. Thank you very much for supporting this conference. I will not take much time about this conference. This is the 7th conference in continuation since 2013. Every year we have one conference on critical care in obstetrics. Last 2 years we could not organize it because of this COVID, but again we are moving towards physical conference, and probably this is the first conference that two teams, 20 and 21, are jointly organizing. So Dr. Shanta Kumari also has made this history. We both jointly, we both were vice president together in 2013. Since 2013, we both are working together for FOXI. So thank you very much, and I have enjoyed working with you. So many faculties are here across India. So many young brigade are also here. We want to felicitate all of you during this conference. The whole year, 1.5 years, you all have done a lot of work, as Dr. Rajan has mentioned about the perspiration, but perspiration was, Rajan, all have done hard work, और सबने पसीना बहाया है. So a big applause for all of them. One person cannot do, we can see vision, we can do planning, but ultimately with the support from all the societies, we can only complete this vision. So after this program inauguration, we have felicitation and appreciation award ceremony. So please do join for that. Please stay here. I want to felicitate all of you with this. Thank you very much for joining. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
That was brilliant, Dr. Alpesh. Benchmark that you have set is going to be really difficult for others to follow, but I'm sure they will. The next person is very interesting. You know, it's so difficult. God has given more muscles to smile than to frown, but most of us don't smile. This lady here, ever since I know her, is constantly smiling. I feel like questioning her, आपके जिंदगी में कोई दुख ही नहीं है? So, madam, you are the epitome. हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो. May I welcome the 60th president of Foxy, the 20th lady president. But there are so many things like I can write down. She started belonging to a family of doctors, and she was always a young genius. 1997 Young Scientist Award, 1998 CL Jewelry Award, 2007 Your Foxy Award, 2016 Foxy Sister Award. She has traveled to 150 cities as a part of Foxy Bharat Yatra. Chairperson, secretary, member, vice president, ICUJ, the list is like 1.7 miles long. We'll take tomorrow morning. But her favorite quotes, which she has said, ma'am, your favorite quotes. We can't build future for the youth, but we can build our youth for the future. That's number one. Number two is, Foxy will strive for the girl child to become Sahasi with Swasthata, Samriddhi, Swasthya, to be Surakshit, and she can be a Shakti to achieve full potential of a woman. Madam, now the horse is in your reins. So welcome and please guide us through the next year. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Rajan. Honorable Chief Guest, our own Dr. Kirit Solanki sir, our guest of honor, Sanjay Gupta sir, my dear friend, Alpesh Gandhi, my Secretary General, Madhuri, Jignesh, our Sunil, Hemant, and Munjal, and all my dear friends. I have my vice presidents here, Dr. Bipin sir, Dr. Archana Verma, Dr. Basab, and Dr. Fesi, who has just joined, Kavita Bapat, who's just left. And we have Parikshit with us. Suvarna couldn't come. Niranjan was also there with us. And we have the vice presidents, Ramani, Devi, we have Atul, we have Anita madam, and Archana Baser. Thank you very much for the very kind words, and indeed a pleasure to be here. When Dr. Rajan was introducing, I was wondering whom he was talking about. He said about the smile. Thank you, Dr. Rajan. I wish your words come true, that I don't have any problem or something. I think, but we obstetricians know that even when we face the most difficult of situations, we are coming out stronger with a smile. I think that should be the motto of every person. That's the strength which will give us the power to overcome all the difficulties. And yes, even I did have my share of, but then I think that's the way of life. Dr. Alpesh and I were vice presidents together, and today we are here. Congratulations, Alpesh, on a very fantastic year you have done. COVID has seen that the world changes. We never knew that there will be a situation where we would not meet every week for a conference. I think that was something which was not ever dreamt of, and that happened. Imagine you have a whole 1 year plus, and when you can't meet people, and now that has made us actually value each other's friendship, value the organization, value how very important it is to meet and be together. And that's the reason we're here. Yes, this conference couldn't be completed in your tenure, but it's okay. It's all in the Foxy. If it happens in your year or my year, it's all Foxy's. So we're very happy. That's the reason how this international conference on critical care in obstetrics has been conducted here. Critical care is very important, absolutely right. And I feel very happy that today we are in an era where the maternal mortality is definitely reducing, and we are sure that we will reach 2030 SDG goals. And we have to thank our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and all the members of parliament and all of them who have been in the politics to actually realize the importance of a mother's life and focusing on trying to reduce the maternal mortality and morbidity is the most important essence of the nation. If we want the nation to improve, if we want the country to be first economically strong, our mothers' lives matters. So, and it is you, my Foxy members, 38,000 members across the length and breadth of the country. Your work to save mothers has actually helped in reducing the maternal mortality and morbidity. And I think all of you need a big round of applause for all the great work. So this year's theme has been Foxy for all, always, and Dhira, Stop Violence Against Women. Dhira means courage. We know when I started this initiative, when I became a FIGO member, it was the point which we realized that violence affects a woman's health, and it even contributes to the maternal morbidity and mortality. That is the reason we decided that we should address this issue so that we can save our women. And as rightly put it, yes, I think taking care of the generation next is so very important. That is the reason why I've initiated this Dhira online school health program in coordination with the UNICEF. And this online certification course of Dhira is for children, the school children, 9 to 12th class. This 2-hour course is going to make them realize why we need to know about this violence, so that the boys, when they see their father or somebody doing violence, should not grow up thinking it's okay to do it. And the girls, if they see their mother or any other woman endure violence, should know that they should not endure it. That's why we have to catch them young, so that we have a generation next, which is going to lead the country, should be gender neutral. And I think that is the way forward for our country. You know, we started this 2008 when Dr. Narendra Malhotra was the president, you know, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. That was the Foxy slogan, and that has been adopted by the Prime Minister. So I think Foxy has been a little more in advance to the politicians when we realize that we have to invest in our girls and women to make the country stronger. And I'm so very happy that, in fact, I am an Indian. Let me tell you, after traveling and seeing the organization across the world, we women in India are one of the most luckiest in the world, because we are more empowered than many other countries, be it sexual and reproductive rights or any other aspect. Of course, there are issues, but then still there is scope of lot of change. And I think together we should all strive to see how best we can take care of our women. We are obstetrician gynecologists, we have got male gynecologists, we have got female gynecologists, but the complete circle is around the woman. So we all care for women's health. I think the onus is on us, each one of us, to see that we take care of our women. And I'm sure that's what we are doing, sir. We have got 262 societies and such a strong member bodies who are all working to make the women's health as our priority. I thank you, Dr. Alpesh and AOGS and the whole team. I would like to thank each one of you, all my chairpersons who are here, the PK Shah sir, our past president. Thank you, sir, and so many other faculties who have joined us today from across, even my friends, like Dr. Krishna and Radha from AP Telangana, and so many players, Jay and everyone. Jayam Madam, our previous vice president, all of you, sorry, I can't take each and every name of every chairperson, but your presence here reiterates the fact that all of us care for the women we serve. And I'm sure that together we can definitely make a difference. So congratulations, Alpesh, for doing a great job. And thank you, Sanjay sir, for guiding us together always. And thank you very much, friends.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I got a new slogan for you for this year. Foxy will go miles, everybody smiles. Thank you.
Can I call upon the stage Dr. Neeta Thackeray, Madam, Honorary Joint Secretary, AOGS, and may I request her to please introduce the guest of honor?
Before she introduces, I have to make it very clear that Dr. Thackeray has nothing to do with Shiv Sena, so please be raised.
That's so very typical of Dr. Rajan Joshi. Thank you, Dr. Rajan. Today, I am here to introduce Dr. Sanjay Gupte, our distinguished guest of honor who doesn't need any introduction. He is a legendary personality and has been Ethics Committee ex-chair FIGO, Foxy Ambassador to FIGO, Secretary General World Justice Organization, has been awarded FRCOG by Royal College London in 2010. He was Foxy President in 2010, President DEPSI 2013, Chairman Technical Research Committee of Indian Council of Medical Research. He has authored 8 books and chapters in more than 40 books, has more than 150 publications in his credits, ex-honorary professor and postgraduate teacher of obstetric and gynecology, and he is the director of Gupte Hospitals and Center for Research in Reproduction. He's director of Green Array Genomic Research and Solutions. I welcome Dr. Sanjay Gupte for his talk.
Thank you, Dr. Neeta, for that introduction. And, I always get worried about this, if somebody starts saying that, he doesn't need any introduction, because I was in a psychiatrist conference, once, and there that, somebody was introducing me, said, oh, we all know him, he doesn't need an introduction, so that in a psychiatrist conference, that we keep on meeting him like that. So that sounded a little different. So I had to clarify that it was not as a patient that I was seeing everyone, and everyone knew me. Our esteemed chief guest, Kirit Bhai Solanki. I think again, I always, admire Gujarat and Gujaratis for many, many reasons. Not just one of them is I have to admire because, my daughter is the daughter-in-law of Gujarat, but that's, but, they solve their problems in a very different way. If the doctors have a problem, with politicians, what have they done? They're done. Send their doctor only to solve the problem as an MP. That's the best solution that we can have. If you have, some problem, yes, he is there. So it's so wonderful to have somebody who has been a surgeon for 39 years and also that is in a teaching profession, representing all of us there in the parliament, and actually he is the one who is going to understand our problems in detail, not many other politicians. So it's so important to have him here also for our conference. And as Alpesh said, I think we'll see him still higher up there in the ministry next. Then of course, Alpesh, my friend, what can I say? He created, it was a calamity. The COVID came as a calamity, and a big adversity, and he converted that into a great opportunity and really unified the whole of Foxy members. And now the problem the Indore people were telling us, everybody was doing webinars, and everybody was you taught them to speak. Everybody became a speaker, and now they are having a problem, how to select the speakers for Indore conference, because there's so many have now really learned to speak well on, webinars. And so Alpesh in last, 1.5 years that he has done wonderful things for Foxy. All of you know that. And, now Foxy has gone from strength to strength. And of course, Dr. Shanta is going to follow him up with that. And we must tell, and our chief guest will also know that she is the first Indian, treasurer of FIGO, our international organization. So that she has brought honors to, our country, through that. And remember, when we talk of these online conferences, you'd be surprised the first online conference was held in Gujarat. Long back, and when it was a satellite conference, and the very hall whose name we are sitting, with Uncle Esaria, my friend. He was the president and I was the vice president at that time. And first online satellite conference was held from this very city, from ISRO Center, and none other than, Modi ji, who was the chief minister at that time, he was with us and we could deliberate personally with him in ISRO Center, and he had inaugurated that center. So, the people from Ahmedabad and Gujarat had foreseen this need, of online conferences way back, 20 years back. That's why I think Alpesh could do so well, in arranging all these conferences last year. And the whole team is such wonderful team. Of course, Hemant is there, Jignesh is there, Sunil is there, and everyone, and supporting that. And with all our Foxy team, our, first lady secretary general is here, Madhuri Patel, so again, we have a wonderful team here. We have our past the chairperson of the ICOG. So, the overall, what we have seen in Foxy now is we are going from strength to strength. We are going towards, more and more work up and details. And I see so many young, Foxy coming up and doing such wonderful work and clinical work, social work. And I think I can just name every one of you here, and you've done wonderful work for this, this year for our women in India. So I must tell our chief guest that we had, Shanta, of course, that was your arrangement in 2011, and we had health minister at that time, and we started with a great conference there. And since then, I think so many things have changed, and we have involved and worked with the government, and now we are going ahead with the government, and together we are doing a lot of things, and we have done a lot of things for women in India. One of the greatest things, of course, Alpesh has achieved is the HDU, and I think that is something that we will request her to take it across the whole India. There are so many other things that we need to do, and when you're there as MP, we can approach you to do a lot of things. And I think both our past and present president will discuss with you and take it across. We still need anemia itself is a problem we need to handle. Now we are facing the new problems of gestational diabetes, then we are facing the problem of polycystic ovary syndrome, obesity in young girls. So all NCDs, as we call it. So I think we need to handle that together. And with if we are together with the eminent people like you, I think we'll be able to do a lot of good things and definitely achieve our goals in our country. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, Dr. Gupte. Can I call now on stage Dr. Kamini Patel? She's our incoming president, AOGS. And may I request you, madam, to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Kirit Solanki, to the audience.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, I have an honor to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki. થોડું ગુજરાતીમાં બોલીશ એમને ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ કરવા માટે. અમારા લોકલાડીલા લોકસભાના મેમ્બર ગુજરાતના, લોકલાડીલા કેમ કહીશ? કારણ કે 2009 થી 2021 સુધી સીટ લઈને બેઠા છે. He is I'm translating. He is on the seat since 2009. So Lok Ladila means very popular, yes. And he is appointed as a chairperson of SC/ST Welfare Committee. Nonetheless, he doesn't want to leave as a professor. He wants to practice as a professor of surgery. So he is attached in GCS Medical College, and he has served as a professor in VS College also. He has been a teacher to so many people, and so many doctors would look upon him as a laparoscopic surgeon also. So welcome. I don't, big people has less words to say. Likewise, Kirit bhai, you're welcome here, sir. Kaik bolo hamara માટે.
मित्रों, आज जो इंटेंसिव केयर इन ऑब्स्टेटिक के इस अहमदाबाद के इस सभागार में, इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में हम सबके बीच में उपस्थित डॉक्टर संजय गुप्ते जी, द गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर एंड चेयरपर्सन फिग्गो, फॉक्सी की हमारी प्रेसिडेंट मैडम शांता कुमारी जी, हमारे इमीडिएट पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट फॉक्सी डॉक्टर अल्पेश गांधी जी, हमारे सेक्रेटरी जनरल फॉक्सी मैडम माधुरी पटेल जी, श्री जिग्नेश भाई दिलीवाला, हमारे परम मित्र और अहमदाबाद के बहुत जाने माने गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, हमारे पार्टी के मेरे कलीग डॉक्टर हेमंत भाई भट्ट, मुंजाल भाई पंड्या, डॉक्टर सुनील भाई शाह, और यहाँ उपस्थित पूरे देश और पूरे गुजरात से पधारे हुए मेरे जो गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, ऑब्स्टेट्रिशियन भाइयों बहनों और मित्रों, सबसे पहले तो मुझे यहाँ जो जानकारी दी गई कि आपका जो ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये सिर्फ भारत का बड़ा नहीं है, पूरे विश्व में 38,000 की कैपेसिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन के साथ आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विश्व में सबसे बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है मेडिकल। मैं आप सभी को हृदय से बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं। और ऐसे तो कई गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट है जो शायद उसके मेंबर्स में नहीं हुए होंगे, तो अगर आपकी जो पूरी संख्या दिखाई जाए तो बहुत बड़ी संख्या में आप लोग हो। और पेशे से आई एम ऑल्सो ए प्रोफेशनली सर्जन, और हम एक ही अखाड़े के आदमी है। तो जब मुझे हेमंत भाई ने बोला और डॉक्टर मनु भाई ने फोन किया था, मैं उस वक्त पार्लियामेंट में था, तो मैंने इमीडिएटली उनको हाँ बोल दिया, क्योंकि बहुत सारे मित्रों को इसके जरिए आपने मुझे मिलने का मौका दिया है। इसके लिए मैं आपका हृदय से बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं, आपका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। मैं आपको अभिनंदन इस बात पर देता हूं कि भगवान ने आपको एक ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है, आपको एक ऐसा गिफ्ट दिया है। कोई भी बेबी इस दुनिया में आती है तो उनका स्वागत करने का अगर किसी को भी सुहाना अवसर मिलता है तो आप सभी को मिलता है। और मैं समझता हूं कि ये बहुत बड़ी गिफ्ट है, क्योंकि आपको नए बच्चे का जो स्वागत करने का है, मां चाहे उसे कंसेप्शन के लेकर उनकी डिलीवरी तक उनके संपर्क में आने का आपको जो मौका मिला है, मैं समझता हूं कि बहुत बड़ा मौका है। और मैं आपको हृदय से बहुत बहुत इस बात पर धन्यवाद मैं देता हूं। जहां तक हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का सवाल, उन्होंने जिस प्रकार से जेंडर इक्वालिटी के से काम किया, इक्वालिटी के लिए काम किया, चाहे वो गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे, आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री है, उन्होंने बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ का जो नारा दिया, मैं समझता हूं कि इसके बाद, ये नारे देने के बाद जिस प्रकार का माहौल बना, पहले देयर वाज ए वेरी वास्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी, आज वो लगभग सभी राज्यों में, हरियाणा जैसे राज्य में भी आज बहुत ही अच्छा जो है, और गुजरात में तो मैं समझता हूं कि हम इसमें जो जेंडर इक्वालिटी है उसमें मोदी जी का सपना जो है उसको साकार करने के लिए अगर किसी ने सबसे बड़ा काम किया है तो यहाँ बैठे हुए और ऑनलाइन वर्चुअल जो कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से देखने वाले मैं सभी को मैं हृदय से बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं, क्योंकि आप लोगों के प्रयासों से जेंडर इक्वालिटी या मैटरनल मोर्टालिटी को जो कम करने के लिए जो हमारा प्रयास रहा है, मैं इसके लिए भी मैं आप सभी की सराहना करता हूं, आप सभी को मैं साधुवाद देता हूं। और मित्रों, पार्लियामेंट में जिस प्रकार से कानून बनता है, कभी कभी हम बहुत ही जो लूज टॉक में हम कहते हैं कि पॉलिटिकल बहुत डर्टी पॉलिटिक्स होती है। मैं अभी अभी आपसे बात कर रहा था, पॉलिटिक्स में जाना नहीं चाहिए, पॉलिटिक्स इज ए डर्टी थिंग, ऐसे हम कभी कभी बात कर लेते हैं। मगर मेरा मानना है कि पॉलिटिक्स भी एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है जहां यहां आप कुछ गिने चुने लोगों को आप मदद कर सकते हो। पॉलिटिक्स में जाने के बाद आप कानून बना सकते हो, आप पॉलिसी रिफॉर्म्स ला सकते हो और उनके जरिए लाखों नहीं करोड़ों लोगों को आप फायदा पहुंचा सकते हो। मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि राजनीति वो उसको हमें बहुत नजरअंदाज नहीं करना चाहिए, राजनीति को हमें नजरअंदाज नहीं करना चाहिए। राजनीति भी एक इतना बड़ा है। आज भारत की पार्लियामेंट में जो अभी भी रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम आपसे ही जुड़ा हुआ, मैं आया तो कुछ 3 दिन पहले उसकी चर्चा थी और मैं पार्लियामेंट में पैनल स्पीकर भी हूं, और जब उसकी चर्चा होती थी तो मैं आसन पे था और कई मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट ने इसके बारे में जो चर्चा की, मैं आपको अवगत कराना चाहता हूं कि कई बातों का मुझे भी पता नहीं था। इस प्रकार की बातें हमारे मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, डॉक्टर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट ने जो बात किया, और रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम जो हमारे है, इसमें जो आज कोई इसका कंट्रोलिंग का सिस्टम नहीं था, कोई भी करता था। आज एक गरीब मरीज को ध्यान में रखकर इस प्रकार का जो कानून बना है, सरोगेसी बिल, मुझे इस बात का बहुत ही आनंद है कि सरोगेसी बिल हर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट भी प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल ला सकते हैं, हर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, और सरकार भी सरकार बिल ला सकते हैं, जैसे जीएसटी बिल, जैसे रिप्रोडक्टिव बिल सरकार लेके आई थी। जो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हर सत्र में एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट मैक्सिमम 4 प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल रख सकता है। और मुझे आप सभी को अवगत कराते हुए बहुत खुशी होती है कि लोकसभा में आई एम द सेकंड हाईएस्ट प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल के साथ, मैं 37 बिल के साथ मैं सेकंड हाईएस्ट पार्लियामेंट में हूं। और एक बात का मैं आपको जिक्र करना चाहता हूं कि मैंने एक एसिड अटैक महिला बिल में लाया था। एसिड अटैक महिला बिल, वन साइडेड लव होता है तो कोई किसी महिला पर उसकी सुंदरता को डिसफिगर करने के लिए एसिड लगा देता है, उसकी आंखें भी चली जाती है, कभी कभी मर भी जाती है, कभी कभी वो जिंदा रह जाती है। मगर उनके लिए बहुत ही उनको मुसीबतों का जो था, तो मुझे लगा कि दिस इज ए बिल, आई शुड ब्रिंग दिस बिल। और मैं इसके कुछ पहलुओं पर आपको 2-3 पहलुओं पर बात करता हूं, मैं लंबी बात नहीं करूंगा। उस वक्त जब मैं बिल 2014 में लाया था एसिड अटैक महिलाओं के वेलफेयर के लिए, तब उनका जो कोई एसिड लगा देता था तो उनका जो सजा का प्रावधान था वो मैक्सिमम इंडियन पिनल कोड के तहत 7 साल का सजा का प्रावधान था। मैंने अपने बिल में मांग की कि इट शुड बी लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट, उसको जन्नती होनी चाहिए। और मुझे कहते हुए आपको बहुत ही खुशी होती है कि सरकार ने मेरी बात मान ली थी और उसको लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट अभी इसका है। इसके लिए सजा का प्रावधान जो आईपीसी से हटकर स्पेशल हुआ है और वो लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट का हुआ है। दूसरी बात, उसको जो कॉस्मेटिकली डिसफिगर हो जाती थी, उसको अपने परिवार वाले भी उसको छोड़ देते थे, उनका समाज भी लोग उनसे जो मुखर जाते थे और ये बहुत अकेली हो जाती थी, उसको कई कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी करनी पड़ती थी। अब सब जानते हो कि यू आर ए प्रोफेशनली डॉक्टर, कभी कभी 5, 7, 10, 15, 18, 20 सर्जरी करनी पड़ती थी। वो लड़की कहाँ इसका पैसा लाएगी? मैंने सरकार से गुहार की कि इट शुड बी फ्री ऑफ चार्ज इन ऑल गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, और सरकार ने मेरी मांग स्वीकार ली है। तीसरी मांग में आपको जो शेयर करना था, बहुत सारे थे मगर 3 मेन पहलुओं को मैं आपको शेयर करना चाहता हूं। तीसरी बात थी कि फॉर प्रिवेंशन, आप सभी को पता होगा, हमने भी उपयोग किया है, अब यहां बैठे हैं सभी ने भी उपयोग किया होगा। हम पहले टॉयलेट क्लीनर के नाम पर किराने के स्टोर पर हम एसिड का बोतल खरीदते थे, आप सभी ने खरीदा होगा, सभी को पता भी होगा। ये मैंने मांग किया कि किसी को भी एसिड बिक्री नहीं होनी चाहिए, जिसके पास लेबोरेटरी का लाइसेंस होगा उसको ही एसिड की बिक्री होगी, वरना बिक्री पर रोक दिया जाए। और भारत सरकार ने इस मांग को भी स्वीकार लिया और आज आप जाओ तो आपको हार्पिक मिलेगा मगर एसिड नहीं मिलेगा। ये काम एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के तहत, एक पॉलिटिशियन के तहत आप क्या कर सकते हो, पॉलिसी में क्या बदलाव ला सकते हो, इसके लिए मैं आपसे इस बात को शेयर करना चाहता हूं। आप लोगों के बीच में आकर मुझे बहुत ही प्रसन्नता होती है। और आप लोग जो साइंटिफिक काम कर रहे हैं, आई एम ऑल्सो ए प्रोफेशनली, और मैं लेप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जन बना था। और आप लोगों को मैं ज्यादा बधाई इसलिए देना चाहता हूं कि इस प्रकार के जो साइंटिफिक इंटरेक्शन होते हैं, चाहे वो कॉन्फ्रेंस के जरिए हो, चाहे वो लाइव ऑपरेटिव के जरिए हो। मुझे पता है कि जब लेप्रोस्कोपी सर्जरी शुरू में आई तो 1989 में पहली लेप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी फ्रांस में हुई थी, 1989 में। और 1992 में पहले ऑपरेटिव वर्कशॉप अहमदाबाद में हुई थी। अब समझ सकते हो कि कितना था। और आई यूज्ड टू अटेंड ईच एंड एवरी वर्कशॉप, और वो वर्कशॉप के जरिए ही मैं लेप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी सीखा था। मैं बेसिक लेप्रोस्कोपी तो करता था, बट आई यूज्ड टू डू द एडवांस लेप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी आल्सो, जो हाइटोसर्निया होती है, सॉलिड ऑर्गन सर्जरी होती है, मैलिग्नेंसी के लिए जो होती है, दैट आई लर्न बिकॉज ऑफ सच टाइप ऑफ साइंटिफिक डेलिब्रेशन। और इसके लिए मैं आपको हृदय से बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं। जहां तक अहमदाबाद और गुजरात का सवाल है, अहमदाबाद और गुजरात मेडिकली बहुत ही एडवांस सेंटर है। खास करके मैं अहमदाबाद की बात करूं तो इट्स अ वेरी, और कोई भी ब्रांच में लो, चाहे वो कार्डियोलॉजी में लो, चाहे वो ऑन्कोलॉजी में लो, चाहे वो गायनेकोलॉजी या ऑब्स्टेट्रिक में लो, चाहे वो किसी भी ब्रांच में लो, ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी में लो, मेडिकल में जो इंटरनेशनली रेप्यूटेड लोग अहमदाबाद है, और इसके मुझे फक्र है। और आप सभी को मैं आज अहमदाबाद आए हो तो मैं आप सभी का अहमदाबाद का जनप्रतिनिधि होने के नाते आपका हृदय से बहुत बहुत मैं स्वागत करता हूं। और मैंने पहले बोला, इस प्रकार जो पार्लियामेंट है जहां से कानून बनता है, चाहे जीएसटी कानून बने, चाहे कोई भी कानून बने, तो पार्लियामेंट में बनता है। मैं आप सभी को यहाँ खुला निमंत्रित करता हूं कि अभी कभी भी आप अहमदाबाद, दिल्ली आओ और पार्लियामेंट हाउस चालू हो या पार्लियामेंट हाउस चालू ना हो, तो आप मेरा मोबाइल नंबर ले सकते हो, आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हो, मैं आपको पार्लियामेंट हाउस में ले जाऊंगा। आपका पार्लियामेंट हाउस में अलग जगह पे आपके साथ मैं फोटो पढ़वाऊंगा, और वहां जाके आपको, हमें एक प्रकार की एक सेंस ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन होता है। हमें लगता है कि ये जगह है, इस जगह के जरिए हम पूरा देश को हम नियमित कर सकते हैं, उसका वेलफेयर कर सकते हैं, उसका विकास कर सकते हैं। और मैंने पहले जो बात था उससे मैं बात को जोड़ूं तो पॉलिटिशियन, चाहे महात्मा गांधी अगर पॉलिटिशियन नहीं होते तो इस देश को इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं मिलती, चाहे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल इस देश के पॉलिटिशियन नहीं होते तो देश एक नहीं हो सकता, बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर इस देश के पॉलिटिशियन नहीं हो सकते तो इस देश को इतना बड़ा संविधान और लोकतंत्र नहीं मिल सकता, और नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो पॉलिटिशियन नहीं हो सकते तो इस देश को पूरे विश्व में जिस प्रकार से देश आगे बढ़ रहा है ये नहीं हो सकता है। मेरा कहने का मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आप छोड़कर पॉलिटिक्स में आओ, मगर पढ़े लिखे लोग अगर पॉलिटिक्स में आते हैं तो एक प्रकार का बदलाव आता है। आप सभी के बीच में मैं आया और मेरा जिस प्रकार से आप लोगों ने सम्मान किया इसके लिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। भारत माता की जय। जय जय गरवी गुजरात।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आज पहली बार हमें महसूस हुआ कि हमारा भी कोई बैठा है और बहुत जल्दी आएंगे सर।
I think the way Sir has invited each and every of us to Delhi and to visit Parliament, he deserves a standing ovation from all of us. Let us have a standing ovation, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
सर हम प्रॉमिस करते हैं हम टीम बना के आएंगे, आपके साथ फोटो खिंचाएंगे, हम सब आएंगे, क्या हम सब आएंगे और फोटो लेंगे।
I'll definitely share the number amongst our WhatsApp group. Sir is always amenable to each and everybody. He has that kind of a rapport. Thank you.
Okay.
हम एक बार आते जल्दी वापस नहीं जाते सर। Now the next is a very prestigious award ceremony. Dr. Alpesh Gandhi.
Sir, we want your 10 minutes. Those who have worked a lot during COVID time last year in Foxy, we want to felicitate them. So please stay with us for 10 minutes and please give award in your hands.
So may we read the award for you, sir? This is for the Pride of Foxy Award. The award is given to a few selected for being an exemplary leader to take Foxy's legacy forward and Foxy's name upwards, for translating Foxy's vision into reality, for being an inspirational leader for the other junior Foxians. We acknowledge the hard work and efforts towards upliftment to women's health and the well-being of Foxy. May we start? Yeah, may we call upon Dr. Niharika Malhotra.
Dr. Fessy Lewis.
Dr. Fessy.
All right. We now go on to the actual order of all the awards. Let's start with Dr. Shanta Kumari, madam.
Dr. Sanjay Gupte.
Dr. P.K. Shah, sir.
In a dry seat, Dr. Shah पीके आए हैं. Dr. Nandita, is she here or any representative or Dr. Nandita? No, she's not here.
Dr. Atul Ganatra, sir. Dr. Archana Basir, if that's how it has to be pronounced. Dr. Anita Singh.
Dr. Ramani Devi. Dr. Ramani Devi.
Dr. Archana Verma.
Dr. Basit Mukherjee. Dr. Basit Mukherjee, please.
Dr. Madhuri Patel.
Dr. Parikshit Pang.
Dr. Ashwath Kumar.
With regards to Dr. Ashwath sir, he has been instrumental in many last time preparations, right from the beginning up to last time, with regards to PG Forum, with regards to all the presentations that was representative of Foxy. So Ashwath Kumar sir has done an excellent job over the period of last year with regards to all the webinars and preparations, presentations, PG Forum management. And we all are thankful for being our guide as well as, Foxy's main pillar with regards to all the activities.
Dr. Sunil Shah.
Dr. Hemant Bhatt.
Dr. Jignesh Deliwala. अब सब डर के ही है.
Dr. Mandakini Megh.
Dr. Uday Thanawala. Uday is not there. Okay, Dr. Last, Dr. Parul Kutrawala.
Congratulations to all the awardees.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
We now proceed to conclude the program. May I call upon Dr. Sunil Shah, sir, to present the vote of thanks. He is the Honorary Secretary, AOJS 2020, and Joint Secretary, FOXI 2020-21. He's the Honorary Vice President, AOJS 2018. Sir, can you take over?
I will not take much time. Thank you very much to the chief guest, Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki Sahib, guest of honor, Dr. Sanjay Gupte, and organizing chairperson, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, sir, Jignesh Deliwala, Munjal Pandya. Thank you very much, all the faculties, for giving that valuable time, sparing the time, coming from across the India, and delivering a good academic feast for the delegates. Thank you very much, all the delegates. Thank you very much, all the pharma people, for contributing to this academic activity of the conference. Thank you very much, all. Thank you.
May I ask Dr. Munjal Pandya to continue with the vote of thanks? He's the Honorary Secretary of Ahmedabad Obs and Gynae Society for this current year. Go ahead, Dr. Munjal.
Thank you so much, all the delegates, faculties, dignitaries. I would like to thank actually AOJS team with regards to all the office bearers and managing committee for standing by with preparation of all the preparatory steps of the conference, along with the implementation of it. So thank you so much, the managing committee and office bearers. Thank you, organizing committee of ICCOB. Thank you, all the delegates and postgraduates who actually came from outside Gujarat, even with the this particular threat of new COVID variant. And all the supporting pharma in form of Amcure, Sun, Torrent, Corona, GSK, German Remedies, Unison, Buster, Pregna, Bharat Serum, Pfizer, Alkem, Samsung, UNICEF, Zydus, and Pharmed. And all the agencies who made it possible, event partner, audiovisual partner, Orange Rose, and even with the entertainment evening, our partners. Thank you so much all for making it a huge success. This was the fourth attempt towards implementation of this particular conference, and it seems and as visible, it is a huge success. Thank you so much. And thank you, Aarti Madam and Rajan Sir, for wonderfully, chairing this particular session. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now the most important part of the...
So we'll be having a little appreciation ceremony of a few other awardees as well during the entertainment program, along with the dinner. And there are two special mentions I would like to make. Kruti Madam, one is Amita Madam. Amita Madam. So this is from my pocket, this appreciation. Madam, actually, you have done wonderful job. Because of you, sir could do this much for FOXI, for all of us, for all the females in India. So thank you so much, ma'am, for being the main pillar and the cause of this particular progress. And Kruti Deliwala, madam. Lucky. I request all committee chairpersons to come on the stage for the photo session. All committee chairperson, please. All committee chairperson, those who are here, please come on the stage, please. Huh? Come. Yeah. I request all vice presidents also. Yes, please. आओ. आ जाओ. I request National Coordinator Dr. Asad Kumar. Asad Kumar, please come on the stage, please. National Coordinator.
आ जाओ
All are requested to join for the entertainment program in Hall B. It's just besides this hall. Entertainment program is in Hall B.
Hello, 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 hello. Anu converter. Hello, hello. Sound check 1 2 3 4. Hello, 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 hello.